I truly believe this. People are really not doing the work because they're lazy. It's not because they're lazy. It's not because they're just a couch potato. Like, maybe that's some, but the real reason I believe people don't do the work is because they're afraid of the work. Meaning they're afraid of the failure. They're afraid and they doubt themselves. Can I really do it? Can I really be that? They're afraid of the work because they're afraid they are not enough. That is what stops people. So then the question is, what's the number one thing to figure out? It's not necessarily go take action. Yes, that is like most of the equation. Don't get me wrong. But it's a crazy psycho self-belief. Like, that's really what separates people who are, visionaries from people that are just crazy. The visionaries believe so damn much in themselves, they go do it. Whereas the crazy people, they talk a big game or they say they want to do all this stuff, but then they don't actually go do it because they're afraid of what they're going to face, which is rejection. So think about that. Think about that next time you go lead people, next time you go talk, or just for yourself, is really self-belief. That's really what it is.